Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. The topic today is 1000x microcap projects. There are 4 projects that I want to present you. 2 of them are microcap projects, like with a low capitalization, and 2 of them are nanocap. So they are at the beginning with a low cap with a huge potential to grow 1000x. All right, so let's start with the first, which is a microcap, and I'm suggesting you to have a look at it. Again, we're not financial advisors, so this channel is for entertainment purpose only. Have a look. Hello, it's an excellent project that will make a lot of money, and they act like investors, like venture capitalists and TV presenters. Have a look. These guys, they promote startups, and they have that type of show. In the future, they'll have it like Shark Tank, if you know what's all about. All right, so I'm telling you, have a look. It has an excellent chance to go 100x. Okay, the others are better chance to go up. Have a look. The next one, it's a nice with a huge hype. It's called CryptoGPT. Have a look at the website. I'll show you immediately. CryptoGPT.org. They have 173,000 followers on Twitter. They are sponsored, and their investor is MakerDAO. Okay, so they're using MakerDAO, their launchpad, um, to start in there to do the pre-sale. Okay, have a look at it, do your own research, buy it early. It has a huge potential to go 100x. Okay, so have a look. Their market cap, it's roughly at this point about $300,000. Okay, but they're going up. They will go up for sure. Okay, this is the team. So do your own research, and I'm telling you, invest a little bit in these because it's worth it. Third one, this is a nanocap. It's a nanocap project. There, I'll show you immediately. Their market cap, it's $100,000. So it's a huge potential here to grow 1,000 times. Okay, so again, have a look, do your research. It's Truth GPT coined. They are trading already on PancakeSwap. Have a look. The chart looks like this, and again, market cap, total market cap, it's $96,000. Okay, again, the potential is huge from this point to grow 1000x. So this is a nano cap type of project. And the last one, it's HEJJ.ai. This is the team. Same story, have a low market cap. The market cap of these, the hedge token, is just $10,000. So from these $10,000, this project has a huge potential to go 1,000 times. So again, have a look, do your own research, hedge4.ai. In here, we have this link that you can ask anything. It's linked to the GPT-3. So if you don't have an account and you don't want to log in into the GPT-3, just go in here, hedge4.ai, and boom, ask any question. The AI, the artificial intelligence in that computer will answer you. Again, the hedge contract. Okay, this is the hedge contract. Take it, use it in your wallet. If you're trading with Trust Wallet or MetaMask, I'm suggesting to go on PancakeSwap and buy a little bit. I'm telling you, we will take this to the moon just because we have an excellent team. We're squeezing the AI to give us money. All right, a good point. In about 6 or 7 years or less, it might be just 5 years, we will list HEJJ on NASDAQ as a software company. Okay, so we're using machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence. We use these things just to make money. So with profit every year, we'll have enough money to list on Wall Street. Again, we will burn our tokens. So you're going to ask me, how do you make money? So you as an investor, hold it, sell it whenever you want, but I'm telling you to hold it because every month we're going to burn 1% of the tokens until roughly 2027 or 2028 when we're gonna list it on Wall Street. So whoever remains with tokens in there, because it's a deflationary thing, okay, whoever has tokens in their wallet, we're gonna swap it. We give you, from that IPO, we give you shares when we list it on NASDAQ. Okay, we have different plans we're gonna open inside these in the AI lab. Next to it, we're gonna have a venture capital firm. We're gonna invest in a lot of startups. Okay, we love to uh, accelerate and incubate those kids, those young people with excellent ideas. So we invest in them, and that's why we expecting a huge profit, because with AI these days, it's an excellent chance to make millions. So have a look again at the team. Call me anytime. All right. Find us on all of these, even on direct phone. Call us on the phone, WhatsApp, we're on Twitter, but subscribe to our channel, okay? Give us a like and comment below. All right, thank you very much for your attention and have a profitable day.